Hello everyone, welcome to Pins and Bobbins. I am Tripta and today in this video I'll be showing you how to make a double circle skirt. If you guys have seen my previous video of how to make a circle skirt, you guys can easily get connected to how to cut them. And if not, the link is given in the description box. So let's get started. Circle skirt, we need fabric both for lining and main skirt, measuring tape, fabric markers, scissors, matching thread, invisible zipper and some fusible for waistband and zipper. So I am starting from a lining skirt which is a circle skirt and I have folded my fabric into two long pieces, once in length, from which we get two half circles. Now mark the waist radius as 4.75 inches all the way from length to width. For all the details about circle skirt like how to measure waist and all, a detailed video is already out on channel and I have given the link in the description box. Now measure the skirt length with 1 inch of seam allowance, that is 19 plus 1 is equal to 20 inches in total. Now from the corner again start marking 25 inches, that is 20 inches plus 4.75 inches which is 24.75 inches, but I have taken 25 inches approximately all the way from length to width again. Now cut it. After cutting the length of the skirt, now I am cutting the waistband of the skirt. And now let's move on to main skirt, which is a double circle skirt. And for this I have folded 4 long pieces of my fabric once in length, from which I'll get 4 half circles. Now mark 2.5 radius for waist. Now mark the length of the skirt. Now after subtracting waistband from length, we'll get 25 minus 2.5, that is 22.5 inches. Now mark 22.5 inches and 1 inch for seam allowance, which is 23.5 inches. Now from corner start marking 26 inches all the way from length to width. 26 inches because 23.5 of length and 2.5 of waist radius. 23.5 plus 2.5 is 26 inches. Marking 26 inches all the way from length to width. Now cut it. And now cut the waistband too. So these are the 4 half circles which we get. Now keep this also aside. So now comes the waistband of the skirt. My waistband is 32 inches long and 6 inches wide. Mark 16 inches on a fold of a fabric with 6 inches width and cut it. Cut the fusible same as waistband. Paste it on a waistband to make it little stiff. Put the grain side of fusible down and give it a press. So I have done it off camera. Now fold the waistband half inch from both the sides by giving it a press. Now fold from center and we will get the desired length of waistband, that is 2.5 inches. And now give it a press. I have done it off camera. My lining skirt are in 2 half circles. So I am joining one of the sides and leaving the other for the zipper opening. Now join all the half circles of main skirt, leaving only one side for zipper. Keep right on right and give a stitch. Now give a stitch on curve too, so that our fabric does not get stretched or frayed. Now give notches on waist. Join the waistband by pinning it. Keeping right on right, pin it from one end to another and give it a stitch. Now take 14 inch long and 2 inch wide fusible and paste on both the openings of the main skirt for a zipper. It will make the fabric little stiff. And now we'll join the lining to waistband. Place it like right facing right and pin along. Give it a stitch. So now I have given it a stitch and I am flipping it. And at this point you can try it out at your waist. I have tried out off camera and it was little loose on my waist, but here at this time it can be adjusted before attaching the zipper. And now it's time to attach the zipper. Place the skirt fabric right facing right. Mark the zipper length right from the waistband till where you want. I want my zipper to start right from the top of my waistband. Do basting stitches at zipper place and normal stitch length right after it. And you can pin it first, as pinning always helps. Now open your zipper facing right side up and now flip it and pin it. Now close the zipper and mark on another side. Match the waistband stitch and mark it. Pin it. Change your normal foot to zipper foot for as close stitch as possible. Now give it a stitch. I have given it off camera. Now cut the extra zipper. Now I will finish up the finishing of lining. Flip the lining, take that extra zip at right and hold it. Now give a stitch as close as possible to the zipper teeth. So I have given it a stitch very much close to the zip, and now flip the lining again and make a nice corner on both the sides. Flip it nicely. And close the zip, and it's done. Very neat and flawless, inside out as always. Now give a stitch at waistband. Give a stitch in ditch. Now we are heading to the biggest challenge to make these skirts, and it was hemming. Making an even hem is quite challenging for these skirts, as it was made on bias and it gets stretched or the fabric may shift a little and panels get shorter sometime. You have sewn away all your panels and added the waistband till now. Now give some time and do hang your skirt for a week. And now it's time to cut. Measure the length accurately. Check the shortest length on skirt panels and go for that. And do measure frequently, otherwise you will definitely go wrong. So it's done. And now hem it by your favorite method. You can do a rolled hem or simply double fold and give it a straight stitch, whichever works for you. And this is the final look of the skirt. So hope you guys like it. Always remember to give a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Follow me on other social media platforms. I'll be posting videos every weekend. So stay tuned. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.